G'day cocktail lover, you look like you're in a bit of a St. Patrick's Day mood. Yeah, I'm hoping to get something more creative than green beer for St. Patrick's Day. You're in luck today. I've been developing a special drink for a YouTube challenge. Hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2022. What on earth is that? Periodically, some YouTube bartenders set a challenge for the whole online cocktail community to come up with a themed cocktail, and everyone gets to interact with the community and some great drink ideas come out of it. Who sets this challenge? Well, you got Rob from Rob's Own Bar, Dave from Booze on the Rocks, Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, and Matt the Whiskey Nerd, all coming together to set this challenge. The drink you come up with, it needs to be green, be Irish themed somehow, and you find them all by searching the hashtag, and this can be on Instagram as well as YouTube, hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2022. No excuse to be drinkless this St. Patrick's Day then. It's important to remember choosing to not drink alcohol is always a valid choice, but if you're looking for something creative for this St. Patrick's Day, hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2022 will give you a lot of ideas. And you're part of this community. You have a YouTube channel. Yes, I do, and you should check it out when you get home. Don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, thumbs up, and leave me a comment letting me know you were there. What's in the challenge drink that you're making for me? I am doing an Irish-themed riff on one of the most riffed cocktails, The Last Word. Is The Last Word a modern cocktail? The original was served over 100 years ago at the Detroit Athletic Club. I think there were a few riffs on it back in the day, but it was rediscovered in the last 20 years, the modern cocktail renaissance, and there have been literally dozens of riffs done by various bartenders around the world since then. Why do so many people do riffs on this cocktail? Probably because it's such a well-balanced and cleanly structured cocktail. The original recipe was equal parts gin, green chartreuse, maraschino liqueur, and lime juice. And you can use that as a template and play Mr. Potato Head. Take one part out, put another part in. Just you go with a spirit, a herbal liqueur, a fruit liqueur, and a citrus juice, and the world is your oyster. Sounds cool. What's in your riff? Given Ireland has contributed so much to the world of literature, when it's a small island, small population, I thought an Irish version of The Last Word was called for. And I've named it in Gaeilge, in Irish. It is an Focal Deireanach. We are starting out by replacing gin with Irish moonshine, aka Poitin. This one, the nice name, Spirit of Dublin. Double meaning, of course. It's a spirit made in Dublin, and it's the Spirit of Dublin. This is made in the Teeling distillery. The Poitin is 52.5% alcohol. This is balancing that I'm also replacing green chartreuse, which is quite high proof. The liqueur I'm using will be lower proof, but the higher proof Poitin will balance that out. This is a shaken cocktail, so first up, we're putting 3/4 of an ounce of Poitin into our shaker. As I said, I'm swapping out the green chartreuse as well. This is a traditional South American herbal liqueur, Cocalero. Weirdly, although it's traditionally South American, it's actually imported it's produced under license in Ireland. And they describe it's inspired by the Cocaleros, who passionately ply their ancient trade in the jungle regions of the Andes Mountains. It's got 17 hand-selected South American botanicals infused in this unique and curious spirit. So, I think this is a fine green substitute for green chartreuse. We're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of Cocalero to our shaker. The rest of the ingredients are in line with the original recipe. Next up, I'm doing 3/4 of an ounce of maraschino liqueur into the shaker. The final touch is 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice that will go in our shaker, and this is why we're shaking it. When you use citrus, you want to shake it. We add ice to our shaker, put it together, bang it in hard, give that a solid shake for 10 to 15 seconds. We're going to strain that into a chilled Nicanoran glass, and because I can never resist the opportunity to garnish a drink with a maraschino cherry, I'm going to drop one in, and here is your Focal Deireanach. Sláinte. That's boozy, that's herbal, we've got some tartness from the lime juice. Alright, I can see this seeing me through St. Patrick's Day for sure. Glad to give you something new, and if you're raising a glass this St. Patrick's Day, looking for something new, don't forget to check out hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2022 on Instagram and YouTube. You will find some great ideas and you'll find some great members of the cocktail community. Lots to see, lots to check out. I hope you enjoy yourself. I hope you come back sometime soon. But until I see you again, slunche.